Got a topic I want to talk about today. Hopefully I'll make it short, but honestly, I don't know why we have to talk about it. Jerky Starts. We have older videos explaining to you why your UTV, it doesn't matter the brand actually. We talk more about Polaris and it seems like anything else, but nonetheless, it's applicable to any brand CVT that has a style of clutch that the belt sits in the middle, has to grab. All right, so here's the craziest statement you ever heard. A jerky start is normal and it's not normal. Go, what the hell? Well, here's the deal. There are vehicles, the gearing's right, clutching's right, belt's right, new, old belt, etc. Touch of gas, there's no jerk whatsoever. You touched its right amount, it's a very smooth start, and it just takes off. That's your buddy's UTV, and yours a little bit before you get going, especially in high, and you like his, and what's wrong with mine? Nothing's wrong with yours, nothing's wrong with his. He's lucky, you are not. It is very, very common to have somewhat of a jerky start. There is no true way to 100% eliminate it and keep it eliminated with a CV style clutch. Why? Because this, as I like to call it, is a big metal spinning disc turning with the engine running. The belt is sitting down in here not turning, and then when you give it gas, it has to grab the belt and start the process. So depending on the load of the vehicle, tires, whatever, then that can be a smooth transition or it can be a jerky one, and then grab, okay? Again, both are normal. So, but there is abnormal, and I can't necessarily describe what is abnormal, but usually it's a severe jerking and a lot of stuff going on, and then but you need to start doing some troubleshooting on clutches. We always say get it in high, get it rolling, floor it, do not let out of it. Does it hit a rev limiter, yes or no? Does it go all the way to the speed limit, or what's top speed RPM? Because usually clutch problems will show up by banging off limiters too early, or you can't get to top speed without hitting the limiter. So jerky starts are normal and not normal at the same time. Just think about what is going on in this clutch and what you're asking it to do. And I will say this, we get videos pretty often, people send to me, and they're showing their clutches and they're walking videoing as somebody else is easing on the clutch. And they go, my secondary is not engaging. Well, your secondary doesn't engage. At idle, it's closed. It ain't doing nothing but holding a belt in between it under spring load. So they're watching their clutch go just like that, and they think it's this, and it's not. It's this. It's grabbing the belt and letting go. Grabbing the belt and letting go. So when it grabs, it turns. When it lets go, it stops. So it's jerking and going. All right, what do I tell them? Quit doing that. Give it gas and go. That's potentially normal for your vehicle. Well, what do you have? Well, I got 37s and no gear reduction, 10-inch lift kit. Come on, really? Go, or you're going to absolutely wear it out and get some dang gear reduction. So hopefully that clears up nothing because jerky starts are normal and not normal at the same time, and you simply have to differentiate between the two and whether it's you doing it or you literally do have a clutch problem. We get a lot of newbies, if you will, with new vehicles. What's wrong with it? Well, nothing, dude. Welcome to the world of CVTs. That's just the way that it is. So, got any questions, any further questions? And to be honest with you, we make a lot of these videos to eliminate questions because we're so stinking busy. It's hard to get everybody answered, emails or any version of communication. It's getting tough, but that's a good thing, and we can only thank you for our business. We are on pace for a record year. This is June 3rd, 24, and that is thanks to nobody but you. So, got any questions further? Todd at Hunterworks.com. Don't forget, best belts on the planet, hopefully less jerky for you. Have a good one.